today I will teach you about the loops, that how can we use loops. So in the starting, Python has two primitive loops commands. So one while loop, second for loop. So we are going to start the while loop. Here with the while loop, we can execute a set of statement as long as a condition is true. So one thing more, I want to let you know that in loops, you have to take care of the indentation. So please proper maintain the indentation in the loops. Otherwise your program will be not executed. So here our first program. So I have written there variable I is a variable I equals to 1. I have initialized a value here. After that I am going to give the condition. This is my condition in the while loop. While I less than equals to 4, print I. Definitely I is a less than 4. It will execute till the condition is true. Once condition is true, then it will be executed here. And this is increment. I have already taught you about the increment assignment operators. So if you don't know about these assignment operators, then please go through my videos. I have mentioned there each and everything about the assignment operators. Follow them, and after that you have to watch this video as you can understand easily. So here I am going to check that if I is less than 4, then program will be executed, and here once then this will be condition checked, and one by one this will be increment in I till the condition is true. So if I run it, see I have received output from 1 to 4. Second example, a equals to 1, a less than equals to 10. It will be executed till the 10 unless we get result the true. If condition will be fail, then it will be not executed. Just you can see here a equals to 1. It means that a is less than 1 here. I know that a is not equals to 10, but there is a one condition is true, that will be followed. After that there is a increment in assignment operators. A plus equals to 1. This plus will be increment in a 1 upon time, then goes this condition. Then once again it will check here that a plus 1, it will be 3. Then go here. In step by step these will be check condition, then go here. After that once again come in this condition until that we get the true condition. This will be checking. So step by step the a will check the increment. After that it will be printed. See here, it will by one it's check that if a equals to 10, definitely a is not equals to 10, but a less than 10, then it will check a is less than 10, then it will go here. That once increment 1 plus a plus equals to 1, then it will be 2. Then it will again check that a plus equals to 1, then it will be 3. Step by step these conditions will be checked until the 10. After that this is rest of code. This is for getting just to know that our program has been executed. That's why I have printed there. Second example, I equals to 2, while I less than equals to 20, print I, and I am increment 2, means I increment 2 values in the I. After that I will get the result in even, means you can see I have received the table 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, just like this. So you will just get only even values here. Now print I as long as I is less than 6. So it will be printed unless I is 6 less than 6. So if I print here, See, I is less than 6, definitely I is a 1 here. I equals to 1, it means that 1 is less than 6, definitely it will be executed till 5 until condition is true. So now the break statement, with the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. We have to give the condition in while loop, then we want to stop a condition at that given condition. So see, in this topic, that I equals to 1, I have given their condition, then I am checking that I less than 6, definitely it will check that I is less than 6 or not. Definitely I is less than 6, then it will print here. Now here I am checking a condition, if I, this one, equals to 3, then break. When I comes on the 3, then the program will be executed, but it will be stopped till the 3. And here I am increment for the increasing values one by one in the program. So see, if I print, just I will got 3 value because I have stopped the program till the 3 value here. Now the continue statement, with the continue statement we can stop current iterations and continue with the next. Here in the statement of continue, there I have written a program I equals to 0 while I less than 6, I plus equals to 1. This is the increment one by one. Then this is a condition I have given here. If I equals to 3, continue. Once it will reach on the 3, then the 3 number will be skipped from the program, then it will be continued. So see here, you can see that output has been printed on the screen, the front of you. See, 1, 2, 3 is not available there because I have continued. I have given this condition here that if we get 3, then continue, means you have to skip that value from the program and continue your program till the 6. So just like this, you have to use your continue statement. This is a while loop with else. So how can we use the else with while loop? See here, a equals to 1 while I have given the condition a less than equals to 5. Definitely a is a less than 5, but it's a not equal to 5. So there is a one condition is true, definitely it will be executed. A print a plus equals to 1 and else while condition is a false. It means that this condition will be also printed because and the end this condition will be false because I is not equals to 5. That's why I will also get that this one and output of this one. Both will be conditions will be true. See here, this condition has been also printed at the end, means a is not equal to 5. That's why I get this one. Now this is a last, print a message once the condition is false. It will execute the step by step, but at once this will be executed in the else condition. So see, I equals to 1 while I less than 6. Definitely I is less than 6. Print I, but I plus equals to 1. This is increment. Step by step it will be increment in the I. Then else I is no longer less than 6. So see here, definitely I get the values from 1 to 5 because I is less than 6. If I give here equals to, what will happen? See here, the both conditions will be executed because see 1 to 6 and see here I is not equals to 6, but this condition is also printed because I is no longer less than 6. So just like this you have to use these while loop, and as you can practice more and more, if you have any question you can direct message me, I will help you out. So guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.